Hello, welcome and welcome back to my writing channel. I have quite recently started this channel. I think it's a nice thing to look back on as memories. So to have it like a video diary. I wrote a lot of diary before, but this feels quite similar, just in video format, so yes, it's nice. I'm sick today. That's not so nice. I have a cold. But I will be coming along to... my mother called and asked if I want to come to Bone Village, her cabin. So we're going there, and I'm going to take with me my book. I'm going to handwrite some new ideas. I have missed having a project to write on since I finished my sci-fi novel, and it was a long time ago since I've handwrite. So I will be doing that today, and you can come along. So let's go. Now the writing session is done, and it was I felt difficult in the beginning because I'm not used to handwrite, and I just stared at the page for a long time first. But it's like that too in the idea process. You use another part of the brain and just experience ideas in your head. I have brainstormed some ideas for a children's book that me and my sister will try to write, and she's going to make the art. But I would like to hear how it is for you when you brainstorm ideas. If you mostly came up with characters first, or just a world, a story, or for me it's mostly a scene. I have places and how the environment. But it was really nice today to handwrite. Just sitting out here, listening to all the spring birds you can hear. And now we are going to go... I'm going to see my sister. We're going to get some soft ice cream at the train station. They have very good ice cream there. We're going to Black Island town. So warm today. I have felt that I have missed having a project, to work on a project. I want to be in a story. So since I finished writing my sci-fi novel, I have felt almost empty. Because before I was always looking forward to continue with the characters and come up with new ideas, follow the adventure, and now it's done. It's just, well, I have been editing and stuff, but that's not the same thing when you're in the process. That's the best part. Before I just wanted to, when I wrote, I just thought of the end, that I want to get done. Now I realize that's the best part of the writing process, when you're in the story. And that's why I also want to start a new project, or just write for fun, because that's when I feel at best, when I'm writing on something.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. So I can start something new, or maybe take up some old stuff. I have a lot of writing documents on my computer with stories I wrote a long time ago that's just been left there, and some of them would be maybe nice to continue writing on. Yes, maybe I will be doing that. Take up another old project.
Yeah.